I'm late to the party.
Everything sold out in minutes.
Got this for life.
But this week was a little bit different. I had someone learning the full system. From dough to shaping to getting everything ready for the bake. So you stretch a little bit. Use 2 fingers, no whole palm. Just like you hold into like 2 fingers. You see what I mean?
Just 2.
Yeah, 2.
African dude with a family.
Gerald, he came to do the workshop.
Yeah,
he's doing well now. He's doing his own business.
Because what you're doing is, it's not just success. It's not just success. It's you making a person independent. You know, that's more that they can survive on their own. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, yes.
That's what's great.
A quarter, that's right. Touch it in, stretch a little bit.
It tastes good.
Real good. All right, let's get these baguettes out here. Look at this. Look at this. Gosh. I do love baguettes.
Yeah, look at them.
Look at
Good.
it. Very good. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna take one of these with me too.
Yeah, take to New York. New York City. You gotta love us. Whoa. Sweet potato pie. I'm excited to try this, man.
Oh, yeah.
One pie. That's nice. So how do you, I heard something. Where do you eat pie from when you start? You start from this end or this end? American, I heard you start pie, eat from this end.
No, I ate it from
From the top.
How it tastes?
Very good.
This is the bomb.
Improve your pastry next time. The pastry, my pastry. Because we didn't let it wait to get it crispy in here.
Right, you need to wait.
Oh, it's good, man. You know what it reminded me of? When I was in Lisbon. I had, what's that fish? No, fish. I know, with 8 legs. Octopus. I had octopus there. And I had sweet potato puree underneath. Oh, man. That was good. That was really good. That's what it reminded me of.
And you never had that?
No,
Wow.
I heard about it.
Where you heard it from?
There's a motivation speaker called Les Brown. He talks about it too much. He says, my mom is sweet potato pie making your toes wiggle. You know, he said you can't eat with your shoes on.
The toes curl?
Yeah. Yeah, you can't eat with your shoes on, yes. So now I know why. Of course. Thank you.
Bye.
2 cinnamon buns and a loaf of bread.
Of course. Thank
Cheers.
you.
Thank
Cheers.
you.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Morning. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Can we have
Good,
two
good.
cinnamon buns and a sourdough, please?
Sure. Not going to work today?
I swap my days just so that
Ah,
I
you
can be
swapped.
here.
She went
Thank you.
yesterday.
Ah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
Have
so
a good
much.
day.
Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Morning. I'm good. You? Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Morning.
Pick up for Steve.
Steve. Ooh, good catch. Stay there. Two.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank you. Cheers, man. Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet
Good morning. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. Can I have one of each?
One of each. So.
Yeah.
Alright, so one of these.
This is the sound that makes comes up. My
So-
friends, my daughter, we only come here to hear the sound of these.
This is the. Oh,
Crunching.
okay.
You know?
This is the cinnamon. Chocolate. There you go. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I've got a local sign company, so if you need any signs, when you get a new premises, give us a shout. I'll give you a good price on some
okay.
signs and stuff. Sign
Okay.
printing and that sort of stuff.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Hey,
Could I get a sourdough and two cinnamon buns?
sure. So, 2 buns. Thank you.
Thanks.
Morning.
A white sourdough, please.
Sure.
And then you've got 4 sourdoughs.
Ah, for Jenny. Okay. Good, good. How are you guys?
Hungry.
That's good.
Can we have
2 cinnamon?
Sorry?
Just I said 2?
1?
1, 2.
One almond croissant. One or two cinnamon.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
What are those ones?
Our pound today's you got coconuts and the brioche at the
So
bottom.
can I take one of those?
Sure.
2 kind of chocolate.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning. You've got it.
One of those. And I've got a crisp bun and a cinnamon bun and a chocolate croissant.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Hey, how are you? I'm good. You?
Yeah, all good, all good.
Good, good.
Can I please have the sourdough, the cranberry?
This is raisins, was not the crumb raisins. Yeah.
Then I'll just have the
sourdough.
country.
Country sour. Okay.
One sausage roll.
Thank you very much. Thank you. See ya. Hey.
Pre-ordered.
Yes.
Are you here next week?
Yes. You're not here next week,
Yeah,
are
we
you?
are not.
You're
I'm
going.
not, but,
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good time. Hey, how you doing? You good? Good.
Can I have 5 of those? Can I have 2 in the same
2.
bag and 3 in other bags?
Sure.
From separate bags.
Oh, so 3 bags?
2, yeah, 2
2
in
one bag and then
then,
and 3 1
yes, please.
Alright, so
Thank you.
2.
2 in the
Done. Thank you. What is it? How you do? I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Can I have a pan of chocolate and an almond croissant, please?
Sure.
Same bag's fine.
It's okay. Evan? Yeah, I'm good. You haven't pre-ordered, have you?
I didn't know.
No, okay, cool. Okay.
Sourdough.
Shoot, yes.
Perfect.
Yes.
You'd have to make up a room that you're opening up a shop here or something.
No.
Yeah.
No, well, no. Thank you, man. Morning.
Same as sourdough. I did message you.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did
Maybe
I?
this morning. So you might
Ah, yeah, no, I haven't seen it. But
should I message to do it
yeah, Wednesday.
Wednesday? Can I get a brownie as well?
The brownie, sure.
At least you got one today though. So.
Yes,
I ran
today.
extra fast. so-
Today you get extra 5. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Morning, Leo. Can I have a couple of hot cross buns as well, please?
Of course. Did you order? Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I don't think I've seen it emailed yet.
Oh, perhaps it didn't go through.
Or maybe I didn't. I mean, when did you order? Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Oh yeah, so I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, never mind.
So I have the fruit
The
sourdough,
one with the,
the raisins.
That's right.
Yeah. Do you want almond as well, like usual?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Yeah, obviously. It either didn't get through or you didn't see it.
Yeah, I know. I haven't seen it yet.
What are those actually?
It's a coconut and brioche.
Perhaps another time, I think.
Yes.
It sounds nice.
Nice, don't they? Yes.
It's good. They compete with almonds.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
They compete.
Oh,
The
right.
flavour, yeah.
Oh,
They do
well, we know
compete,
what
yeah.
those are like.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. One in.
I'll try one of them. Thank
Sure.
you. A hot cross bun, please.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you too.
I think that's mine there, Mel.
Mel, yes. Cool. Good morning. Did you order?
No, I forgot to. I was
You
so
missed
busy.
it.
What are those ones?
I found the coconuts and the brioche.
Oh yeah, can we get 2 of those?
Sure.
An almond. And have you got any sourdough there?
No, I got sourdough but with raisins.
Oh, what's the other one?
It's
Is it
white.
just white? Yeah, I'll have a white.
2 of these, yeah?
Yeah, please.
And 1 almond.
Yeah, 1 almond and a white.
Yeah, no cinnamon buns again.
And well, Emerson's excited about these.
They're nice.
2 of those. You and Michael can have that for breakfast tomorrow.
Michael might not have breakfast.
Well, hope not, and then I'll get it.
2. Right.
He's got the almond bun. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's brilliant.
Thank
I'll
you.
try to order next time.
See ya. Morning.
So what's this?
So it's got coconuts on top and a brioche on the bottom. Coconuts and sugar.
Perfect. Sounds
Eggs.
lovely.
It's nice, very
I like
nice.
that.
So,
Are you every Friday here?
yes, every Friday 8:15 to 9:15.
Should we get coffee or
Well done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning.
and a brownie, 2 brownies.
Of course.
What bread do you have?
White loaf and fruit sourdough.
Can we get white lettuce?
Sure. Got croissants for you. Sorry?
Did you have a good eat?
Oh, I don't do Eid. No. Do you guys do Eid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What did you do? Did you went to the mosque? 2 brownies? Then?
2 brownies. Lots for the end of Ramadan.
And white lettuce off.
And a white. Ah, yes.
We go for chocolate croissant,
Sure.
almond croissant, and then what croissant, please.
Of course. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Cheers, thank you. Morning.
Have you got a white loaf?
Yes, so 1.
A white loaf. These ones.
A coconut and brioche. Hi.
Coconut is on the top, and inside is just a sweet
Can I
thing.
get 1 coconut? One almond.
Sure.
I was going to give you the best bit then. I was going to give you the best bit.
And an almond.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a sausage roll.
Lovely, mate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hey,
Hello.
can I have this one in a separate bag, please?
Sure.
And can you taste this call?
Of course. There you
No
go.
cinnamon buns today.
No, they were here. They're gone. They're finished.
Can I have one of the almonds
Almond.
one and the bread, please?
Sure.
That's the
Raisin.
tricky one.
It's raisins, yeah.
Raisins. Okay, let's
Yeah.
have that.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Morning. That's the sure. Thank you. Cheers.
Card. Sorry for it.
Yes.
With three brownies, please.
Sure. Brownies.
Yes. Okay, 1 of those.
Sure.
And 1 chocolate brownie, please.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
We did half each, you see.
Yes.
But I want a whole one of this one. So
What was it?
another
The
one.
almonds,
of
yes.
these. Yeah. And then just 1 each of these as well.
Sure. So, and that.
Thank you, sir.
And then Sister Joe.
Please.
So you went and try and I said, no, I'll go back.
Yes. Yeah. Half wasn't enough. Nice one.
Yeah, I'll definitely reach out. I'll need
It's
some.
cool, go and
I'll
sit
definitely
down.
need some.
Yeah, I'll
Sit
come
down.
and see you. We can
Yeah.
go through it, yeah?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Yeah,
Have
thank
a
you.
good day.
Cheers.
Take care.
Good morning. I'm good. You? Thank you. Thank you. Morning.
Can I get a sausage roll?
Sure.
And can I get that look as well, please?
Sure. A nice bread. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Good morning.
Morning. Can I give a sausage roll?
Sure.
An almond pastry. And we'll go with 4 of the brownies as well, please.
Sure.
What are these ones just out of interest?
Coconuts on the brioche. It's good.
Oh my gosh. Don't tell me with anything wrong. Don't.
It's very good. There. 4. Hello, Passy.
Hello.
You good?
Great trade.
Yeah, it's good. I was thinking to email you. I keep thinking yes.
Do you
And,
know he comes to our village fete as well?
Oh, fab.
Yeah. That's always in Monday. Not to
Yeah.
be met. Hiya.
You're right.
Not to be
Not to be missed, yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Morning.
Can I get a sausage roll and an almond croissant, please?
Sure. One.
I get found out by my husband for like buying almond croissants.
Well done. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good morning, sir.
Tell me you're out of sausage roll.
Yes. This is
Okay,
it. This
can I get 2
brown, sure. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no, it doesn't make sense. Oh, yeah.
Morning.
What you got left?
Did you pre-order this time?
No, I didn't. No.
This is it. Coconuts in the brioche and chocolate brownies.
I'll take just one of those.
One of those, sure.
One of those, no worries.
You pre-ordered. What you want is bread, I guess. You want bread
Maybe.
more? Maybe.
Or croissants.
Across the yeah.
Just pre-ordered
You
it.
can pre-order, yeah. No almond croissants.
That's muffled.
Yeah.
Again.
Again, yes.
You won't make that mistake again.
I told you last week,
We'll
yes.
do it. Take care, Leo.
Thank you. Thank you, man.
mate.
Cheers.
Good custom for you anyway. Yeah. Nice one.
Oh,
Thank you.
late to the party.
You got some stuff left, wait, a couple of stuff left. This is it.
I'll get a brownie.
The brownie, sure. I'm late for the party. Yeah, I've been busy straight.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's good, it's good.
You're baking up at
River Hill.
Yeah,
Yes,
River Hill.
I'm still there.
Nice. And do you sell stuff in their cafe then?
No,
As well?
the Malabar, no. It's Malabar there, no.
Oh, of course, yeah, it is,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad it's doing well.
Thank you. See you later. Wow, this was a busy one. Technically sold out. What's going? Thank you for watching. I have nothing to sell in Nice's. Wow. Wow. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. That was good, thank you. It was good. Thank you for coming all the way from
No, it was a pleasure.
NYC. Bacon sent some peaches, please.
Yes.
You gotta do that.
Okay, now to go get some rest. Peace.